What's up, Greeks and freaks? The only thing that could be better than hummus, and that would be if hummus was made of cheese. Well, this is where this shit comes in. It's called Kafteri. It's a spicy, whipped up cheese dip. Let me put the fucking cat back. So what we're gonna need for this, 200 fucking grams of feta cheese. This is a feta cheese container. It's 200 grams. A Pyros, it's original feta. Got some feta on a cutting board with lettuce and some tomatoes and bullshit. I got the same kind of cutting boards here. Now you're also gonna need 2 fucking jalapenos. You're gonna do one with all the seeds and shit in it. It's very important because you want it to be spicy. The second one, you're gonna take all the seeds and all the fucking bullshit out of it. You're gonna cut it all, the whole thing. I'll cut this in a minute. 3 fucking tablespoons of olive oil, pita bread, the Greek style, not pocket pita, whatever, if you like the other one. And then also, whatever the fucking vegetables you want to dip. It's pretty close, it doesn't matter. We got tomatoes, cucumbers, some regular green peppers, and some pita bread, toasted just a little bit. You cut it into wedges. I like it crispy, it doesn't matter. So starting off, you get your frying pan, you get it on low heat. I already turned the heat on. Let the pan warm up for a second. Start with the 3 tablespoons of oil. I already found the right one, so we don't gotta go through this bullshit again. 1. Get this whole pan coated. Alright, once your oil starts getting a little active here, then you're gonna go ahead and put the goddamn jalapenos in. And these are going to go until they start to get a little bit brown. They got to look brown, otherwise it's not going to work. It's not going to mix well. Takes a few minutes. Take the feta block, break that up in little pieces. See? Looks like fragments of moon rock. While the peppers are finishing up, these cocksuckers are going to go in the food processor. If this is your base, put about 3/4 of it in. Leave the rest on your cutting board. All right, these look a little brown. All right, this fucking thing. Locked. Oh, Jesus Christ. The blades aren't catching. Oh, there's nothing in it. You fucking kidding me? I didn't put the blades in it. Here's the blades, bitch. Yep, got the oil everywhere. It's my fault. I didn't put the blade in it. God damn it. Everything in there. Make sure you don't lose much oil, which I already did. All right, it's enough. We can still get this done. You want to do it until it gets all smooth and whipped. No bumps, no chunks. Alright, this cocksucker's stuck up here. And add the rest of your feta. Since I spilled half the oil all over the counter when I put the fucking blade in. Try to keep her cool. No problem. It's not a big deal. It's annoying, that's all. Alright? I don't know how much oil that is. Doesn't matter. Just gotta make sure the goddamn fucking thing is oiled up. No worries, no problem. There we go. Let the party be continued. Oh yeah! Let's see what that tastes like here. It's fucking beautiful. Alright, it's done. I gotta take the blade out first. It's a pain in the ass. Look at all the shit that gets stuck on this blade. But it still works. Alright, so here's what it looks like. You can put it on anything. Pizza and hot dog, whatever makes you happy. Tomato, cucumber, peppers, pita bread. Oh my god, it's really fucking good. A little spicy, but good. Can't say enough about it.